a great choice today with the 2017 Hyundai Santa Fe. Style, quality, performance, value. Need we say more? This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, keyless entry, Bluetooth, power steering, front wheel drive, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, USB connection, power windows, power door locks, electronic stability control, auxiliary audio input, daytime running lights, alarm, tilt steering wheel, privacy glass, rear spoiler, tire pressure monitoring system. Come take a test drive today.